From the one start and the talks, them stepping on the water gun, but up here wetting. Tell them a caution. Run, you tell them.
The dog says not water gun you're busting about, guess what? A peer wettings, you know, and a water gun, but a beer wettings, youth. A caution. Him tell him say a caution. So what? A caution. Hey. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boston, back in full effect with another video for you guys. Right now we have Jahllano, Tafari, Caution, official music video posted like, I think a week ago or a couple of days ago. You understand? But you know, I don't rush into the videos. You understand? We stop rushing to it. Only if we know spam them hard, I don't never spam this hard. So you know what I go on now? We get into this reaction. You know the regular routine. Like up this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You know, post every single day, numerous times for the day. Subscribe to my second channel called More Tyrekevlogs. Find out some public interviews over there. We're getting all the Caribbean islands involved in the public interviews too. You understand? I'm asking the Americans questions about the Caribbean. Go subscribe. Like up the video. Let's see what's happening for this song right now. And the pause boss is in full effect. You understand me? Because yesterday, 2 days ago, videos got blocked and you know that already. Me not like that. No, you can copyright the video and let the video play if viewers them can enjoy the video. Don't block the bumper clock video them. Alright, let's see what's happening still. Run through. Warning. The straps them not real. Kids, they are not real. Let's go.
See Jah, it up.
Biggs get shot on backflip 2, 3, 4, 5 times. No man, Biggs, what kind of Jah? Them shot they connect some part in your foot. They get spring in your foot, Biggs. No man.
Tough side.
Caution.
From the one start and the talks, them stepping on the water gun, but up here wetting. Tell them a caution. Run, you tell them.
The dog says not water gun you're busting about, guess what? A peer wettings, you know, and a water gun, but a beer wettings, youth. A caution. Him tell him say a caution. So what? A caution. Tell me something to tell him again, Jahllano. Go on.
A caution. No. I know funeral I shall agree for me send him through some time pass. It must be feel we forget him.
Yo, Tafari said me tell him say, yo, I know funeral I shall agree for me send them. Instead of telling him say what? A caution. Tafari said tell him say a caution. I know funeral him I get. Shall grave. Go on.
Caution. Tell them a caution.
Me tell them already still, you know. Me not gonna lie. Me tell them already, but me gonna tell them again. The man is tell him say a caution. This is name Caution. Right now, see if you don't press the like button on the video, you better caution yourself too, no? Alright. Go on.
Yeah. Drilling, blood spilling, killing. From boy for dead, tell them say me willing. Spot the fool and put gun.
Pause, me for tell you no. A beer blood spirit, but man say from boy for dead, the man say a beer blood spilling. Jahllano, I said that to the people. I know me, you know. I'm just bringing the information to your ears. Are you hearing what Jahllano just said? Alright then, let's go. You ready? Go on.
Back in him, say him bad but him soft like linen. Yeah, you let hear from me stepping on your place. Could have been.
No, hold on, Tafari. Before you mash up the place, Mr. Tafari. The dog said, Jahllano say him feel same bad but him soft like linen, people. Him soft like linen. No, Tafari, deal with it, my general.
If the rifle clock or a 38, you may shell long your base, watch head bust bone break.
Head bust and bone a break. And the rifle alone do all them damage there, no? The rifle alone do all them damage there, no? You just can't stand there. Go on!
Murder the pussy that we never hesitate.
Yeah.
Family are wait on the DMO. We kill people anywhere we go.
Hold on, the family are wait on the D. What the family are wait on? Hold on. No, man. Them man take badness to a different level. But guess what? It's for entertainment purposes only. Me make sure you know that too. You understand me? And Jahllano is an artist so the free to come preach to and say, yo, you sing the song them for entertainment and for uno. You know what I mean? Alright, don't get it twisted. But go on, run through.
Shot in her head down to your toe. Lucky if your mother can recognize you. The melanges them see.
Shot in her head down to your toe. You're lucky if mama can recognize you. Shot in your head straight down to your toe. You're lucky if your mommy can recognize you. The lyrics of Jahllano the Great. The managers them do what now, Mr. Tafari? What did the managers them do?
The flaked up it, son from down BIL, say from a murder, we love it. Crime set with the tray, cut up them up like sausages. Left them forget taco.
Big up yourself in that, but what on there? Not even gonna talk about it, no. The Drake cut them up like sausage. Like sausage. Them on your badness gone past expensive right now. Them on your badness different. Like next time, next Jahllano next song, badness different, expensive. Go on.
Like luggage. From the one start on the top, them stepping on the water gun, but up here
Waiting.
Tell them a caution. Run, you tell them
Just want to take a moment to big up everybody who acting in that video. Yeah? You understand me? All of the little bad, all of the extra them. You understand me? Come play a part of a dead man lying down in the video. Big up on yourself. As me, I say my son too. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my son, man. And work hard. On dead for 2 minutes and 55 seconds of that video. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Go on. Look at the man them. Look at the man them at the work. Right? Look at the man them at work, people. The man them at work, people. Me can't find them. Show me in general them at work, no dog. What you know what hard for do? All this man have slippers drop off him foot. Perfect acting skills that in the people. This man always lie down in the bush with him head. This one that lean up and one cheer over this. Yo, perfect acting skills and point, you know. You know what I mean? What on there? Hilltop, well, go on, make you get a shirt. But go on, that different, that all tight. Run tune.
Bad with the 17, wicked with the 4-5. Make the one of them know me represent the east side.
Shit.
The evil is kind. Now make me tell you about the west.
Remember, some more walk everywhere Trinidad, so I say big up a wall at east side, you know. I say big up a wall at Trinidad, you know. Call me a forward. What? Me a forward? Me a forward, big up a wall at Trinidad, man. Go on, Jahllano. You know what I said about that?
Man rap for love, put gunshot in a chest, yeah. And watch your body while you take your last breath.
You know what I think
Hilltop
now?
badness, we not.
That's something to talk about, you know, that. Because I know the first song we heard them mention gunshot in a chest, you know, that. You understand? The first time really find, like, seats stand out in one song. School them. You see me, I say, I don't remember what the song name is, but the artist name School Them. You see me, I say. And say, see up on news with a fuck up chest plate and that then put all a gun in her chest. I remember that song recently. I don't remember the artist name. I think the song name is called Clapito. You see me, I say, I don't remember the artist name, you know. I just with that song, the reaction there, you know, that. You see me, I say. And men and say something like the name, you know. And say something about chest plate, you know. And now, Jahllano come and say, I saw the signature move that from mash up people chest plate. That's the signature move. Alright then. Just try to figure out what going, you know. And share it doing at the same time, though. You know what that go? Alright, go on then, no man.
Half step now. Young big dynasty. And a corona alone we get from the Chinese.
Yeah.
New AK, the place I shake when it beat.
Oh, just like you know what the dog say, people. The dog say, yo, I know corona alone him get from the Chinese. Me bumbuckle belt. Me jungle bongo. Reaction boss. Boss. Yo, run me instrumental for a look at me, people. Run tune! Alright, people, so. Then all I do, every time you hear Tafari voice, this is me I say. This song me I hear. My girl, if you want to sell pussy then, no money enough. You not sell pussy. Go on.
Them all you mean, yeah, we left a bloody scene. Police are running, but them can't catch it, talk, we fled the crime scene.
That them get wings and start flying. Wings and start flying. Gary can't catch them. Go on. Run tune, right? Run tune. Go on.
Caledonia and my scheme.
Man, you can't drive through VIL with high beam.
From the one start on the tops, them
You
say.
have to turn down the car light. You have to dim that bumper cloth. You can't drive through the man them scheme says so. You can't drive through Belmont says so with no high beam lights, so I'm not gonna blow out your car like them for your youth. I'm strapped. No, I can't them thing in that video. You can't drive through Belmont with bright light, with high beam. You have to put that pan dim or turn it off. I'm pray to God so you can see where you go. You say can get light up like Christmas tree. Run tune.
No want a gun, but up here waiting. Tell them a
Gosh,
caution.
sound
Tell them.
I don't call you make up yourself too. They me, they big up yourself. You don't know that go already. You see me? Yeah, man, because everybody said speed. You don't know that. Go big up you for watching this video. If you made it to the end of this video, I want you to comment the number 5 in the comment section. Confuse the crowd. Drop number 5 in the comment section. Some fire emoji back at that. Subscribe to my vlog channel at More Tyrekevlogs. People, remember, I'm posting every day over there also. I have something special for y'all today. Alright? Okay, Jordan. Peace out. Burn up on that bumbo clap.